Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to embed the TradingView Advanced Real-Time Chart into Notion using the official TradingView Widget documentation and the Notion app. This lets us convert the embed so it works smoothly in our Notion pages. If we use Notion for our trading journal, strategy notes, or portfolio tracker, this setup keeps live charts in our workflow, all in one place. No more switching tabs. Let's get started. First, we open our browser and search for the Advanced Real-Time Chart widget. On this page, we see the official embed options for TradingView's Advanced Real-Time Chart widget. This is the version we need because it supports live price updates, custom chart layouts, and streaming data directly from TradingView. We scroll down until we see the settings section. Here, we find an example of the HTML code needed to embed the chart. We also see customization options like the symbols we want to display, chart width and height, theme, and more. Before copying the code, we should customize it for our symbol and appearance. For example, we can set the symbol to Bitcoin or Apple depending on what we need. We can also adjust the width to fit inside Notion. We can click these three buttons and decide what we want. Once we have adjusted the settings, we press the copy code button. This copies the entire HTML code from the page. This is the code TradingView provides for the Advanced Real-Time Chart. Now, we open a new tab and go to action.co. Action.co lets us convert HTML widgets like this into a format that Notion can embed. On Action, we choose the option for HTML to Notion embed and paste the entire TradingView HTML code. Into the input box, we paste the link. Then, we click the Generate URL button. This creates a Notion embed link that wraps the TradingView chart in a Notion-friendly container. We copy the code. Now, we open Notion and go to the page where we want the chart to appear. We type /embed, click that, and paste the link. Then, we press Embed Link. After a moment, the TradingView Advanced Real-Time Chart will load inside Notion. We can resize it and place it next to our notes, trading plan, or watch list. This way, we use it as a live reference without leaving our workspace. Here's what we need to keep in mind. First, this embedded chart is view-only inside Notion. We can't draw, add indicators, or place trades directly from the Notion embed. To make edits, we just click the chart option to open it in TradingView. Second, real-time updates depend on our TradingView plan. If our account uses delayed data for certain markets, the embedded chart will also show delayed price updates, even with the advanced widget. A few tips to make this setup even more useful. We can create a Notion trading dashboard with multiple time frames embedded. We can add text blocks underneath for trade setups, entries, and exit plans. Using toggles or a database helps keep our workspace clean and organized. To recap, we go to the Advanced Real-Time Chart widget page on TradingView, customize and copy the HTML code, convert it using caption.co, and embed the result in Notion using /embed. This gives us live charts inside our trading notes. We keep everything in one place. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly TradingView tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.